In previous lessons, we have learned that the standard equation of a circle goes like this: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. And we said that to work out the circle center, we look at the h and the k, and then this r is the radius. So what we're going to learn how to do in this lesson is I'm going to tell you the center of the circle and the radius, and you need to somehow create this equation. Okay, so let's do a couple of examples. So here's our first one. So let's first go write out the base equation, which we've just spoken about. Okay, so we know that if the center of the circle is at -2, then this part over here would have to be a +2. Why is that? Remember, we have said that if you have x plus 2, that means the circle center has moved 2 places to the left. And that's how it would end up at -2. And then for the y part, we would say y minus 5, because minus, we've said this in previous lessons, means that the circle center has gone upwards. Okay? And then the radius is 4, so we can just fill that in over there. And then in the next step, we can just go fill that in as 16. And so that's it. That is how you would come up with the equation of that circle. So remember, when it says plus, it means this. So let me quickly explain something. Imagine the circle center was originally at 0, 0, at the origin. If you have a +2, that means it's moved 2 places to the left, and if you have a -5, it means it's gone 5 places up. So the center would be at -2 and 5, which is exactly what we said over there. So for the rest of this lesson, we're just going to do another 3 examples, okay? So if you want, you can pause, try these out yourself. So we know that the base equation goes like this. Now, so what we can now do is we can say x take away 3 plus y add 2. Because remember, this circle center, that's at 3 and -2, which is over here. So it means that it went 3 places to the right, so that's why we used a minus, because minus means right, and it went 2 places down, that's why I used a plus, because plus means down. And then the radius is 3. Now what is 3 to the power of 2? That's just 9, and so that would be this equation of that circle. Here's our next one. So let's start by plotting the center. So the center is at -6 and -4, which is over here. So -6, -4. So the standard equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. So if you look at this center, it's moved 6 places left. Now we know that left means plus, and it's moved 4 places down. Now we know down means plus. Now the radius is 9, so we say 9 squared. What is 9 squared? It's 81. Let's do one more example. So let's go plot the center. The center is at 1 and 2, which is over here, or more like there. So 1 and 2. And so what we can do now is go write out the standard equation. And so this has gone 1 to the right. Now right means negative. And it's gone 2 up. 2 means negative. I nearly said positive. So 2 means negative. And then the radius is 5. So we say 5 squared, which is 25. And that would be the answer.